In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment in Jotform. If you've built a form and you're ready to accept money, whether it's donations, invoices, or product orders, we'll connect a payment provider directly inside your form. We'll keep it simple. Open your form, go to the Payments panel, choose a gateway, and connect your account. I'll add context along the way so you know exactly what you're seeing on screen. Start by logging into your Jotform account. From the dashboard, head to My Forms and pick the form you want to enable payments on, then click Edit to open it in the Form Builder. You should already see the live preview of your form in the middle. If you manage multiple forms, it helps to name them clearly so you open the correct one. Once the builder loads, you're ready to add your payment integration. Look to the left for the Form Elements panel. It's the toolbar where you usually add fields. Along the top of that panel, you'll see tabs like Basic, Payments, and Widgets. Click Payments. This opens Jotform's catalog of payment gateways, including popular options like PayPal, Stripe, Square, and Authorized.net. On a free plan, you can still integrate a payment gateway. Just remember that submission and payment limits apply to your account, so review your plan if you expect high volume. Seeing the list at a glance can help you decide which provider matches your business needs and where your customers are most comfortable paying. Next, select the payment gateway you prefer by clicking its tile, then click Continue. Jotform will prompt you to connect your payment account. Follow the on-screen login and authorization flow for that provider. This connection securely links your form to your processor, so funds go straight to your account. If you already use a specific gateway for your business, choose that for the smoothest setup. If your audience likes digital wallets, PayPal may be a fit. If you want straightforward card processing, Stripe or Square are strong choices. Keep your credentials handy, allow pop-ups if a window is blocked, and make sure you authorize the correct business account. When the connection completes, the payment element is added to your form and is ready to use. And that's it. You opened your form, went to Payments, chose a gateway, and connected your account. You now have a payment integration tied to your form, and you're one step closer to collecting funds through Jotform with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.